Alright, how to talk to women explained in 3 minutes or less. First off, anxiety. If you're new to this, you're going to have it. But it gets easier the more you talk to girls. Try not to fall in love before you talk to her. Should go without saying, but you'd be surprised how many people do it. Non-surprisingly, if you're in love with her and you're talking to her the first time, you're going to be extremely afraid because she can kill you with one word, which is bad. Second, what should I say? Wrong question. It always starts with eye contact. This is how we make sure that she is interested in talking to us right now. Everybody has bad days where they're not feeling social. However, generally, if you make eye contact with her and smile, and she smiles back, or is kind of embarrassed, but smiling, go for it. Else, most likely she's not interested in you, and she doesn't want to talk, so leave her alone. These are hard truths, and some men see what they want to see, but those are the facts. You can try again and hope for some other outcome, but it's most likely not going to happen. Now we can talk about what you should say. If she smiled back at you, simply say hi. If you don't have the courage, you need to have clear rules. Example, if I smile at her and she smiles back, I stop thinking and I start talking. Just simply say hi to commit and then ask some random question that fits the situation and is well adjusted. For example, at a gym. Wow, that's interesting exercise. What's the benefit of doing it in this particular way? I've never seen it before. Should I do that too? Stuff like that. Or maybe on the train. Excuse me, is this window seat taken? Oh, I think I've seen you around before. Do you take this train often? Stuff like that. Use this website if you want to learn some good options by heart and some good questions to keep the conversation going in a bunch of different situations. Just keep asking good questions that are well adjusted and then end the conversation before it gets too long. Watch her body language. If at any point she seems disinterested, giving short answers, answering yes or no, not sounding enthusiastic, yeah. Leave her alone. She's not interested in talking to you. Don't force anything. It's going to be a bad time for you. It's going to be a bad time for her. It's going to be a bad time for everybody involved. Don't do that, please. If you feel the conversation slowing down, just simply end it if you're going to see her again. Of course, at the gym, you're more likely to see people again, or at school or at work. And in places like the train or on the street, here you have to consider whether you're going to ask for a contact, which is risky. But with everything, ask yourself, are you going to care in 10 years if she shuts you down? You're not going to care. In 10 years, you're going to care about whether you tried or not. And of course, talking to women, if you've not done it a lot, you're going to be nervous, you're going to be afraid, you're going to be overthinking. The key is to stop thinking and start acting, committing to it, saying hi, and just going with the flow and learning. You're going to learn by making mistakes, by having awkward moments, and sometimes you're going to feel bad, but you're going to get better and better at it. You're going to be more confident, and you're going to grow a thick skin, and it'll be easy in the end. Anyways, that's how to talk to women. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's up to anyone. If you want to learn conversation lines by heart, which takes some of the thinking out of it, and I'll see you guys next time.